Hello my beautiful ladies, it's Greta here, ladies relationship coach, and today my beauties I'm gonna share with you one very common power game which men play on women. It is a pull away power game for 1 week or more. So I will share with you my client's story on how she played him at his own game and nailed at it. So ladies, it's actually quite a long story, so grab yourself tea, coffee, some wine if you like, and let's hear about it and learn from it. It's a really interesting one. I promise you, you will be at least entertained. So this is what she says. Hi Greta, I will give you a background story as it is dragging from last Friday now. So my guy is a builder and did not help with the repair in my house. He promised for ages and never did it. So I asked him what the fair price would be if I hire someone else, and he said £100 and not offered to fix it. I posted this in the previous live saying that I will make it hard for him to see me. You said that my thinking was correct. You said to fix it myself and pull away. So I had my conversation about repair with him on Friday at midday. Today is Sunday and he has not reached out since. Do you think it is him playing a power game? To me, it very much looks like it. And how do I respond after he contacts me? Because it looks like he pulled away, so I didn't even got the chance to do the pull away as suggested by you. What do I do in this situation, as we should not show emotion after their pull away? Thank you, Greta. Now ladies, what I basically said to this lady, if your guy promises you to fix something around the house and it's very important for you and you're kind of waiting for him to do that, and then he's dragging it along, he's not doing it because he kind of wants you to chase after him and beg him to fix that thing in your house, right? So what I said to her, look, he offered to help, he is not helping, it's an emergency for you. Ask some other guy for help and praise that guy for it in front of your boyfriend. And then he will see someone else getting praised for his chores, he will want his chores back. Now ladies, let's listen to what happened next. Now this is interesting. Hi Greta, my builder guy has finally got in contact after a week of a power game. So her guy pulled away for 1 week from her. I said to her, when the guy is pulling away for 1 week, he's pushing your buttons, he wants you to beg, to chase after him, to be all sweet, maybe cry, get upset and stuff like that. You do not reward a guy for his bad behavior, because chasing after him when he is pulling away, it's actually rewarding him for his bad behavior. Then he comes back to you and he's giving you attention again. This is when you can be nice and sweet back. But if he is punishing you, if he is pulling away from you, if he wants you to chase him, you let him pull away and you concentrate on your goals, dreams and ambitions, and you let him come back to you back. You said it was a power game and you were right. And I was not sure, and I really think you are a genius. Thank you. I will describe everything as it is quite interesting how the dynamic went. So he called me really late on Saturday night, but I didn't pick up and he left me a message. Are you okay? All right, so now the guy is getting insecure and he's leaving her a message, are you okay? Because she did not chase him when he pulled away from her. Then I woke up on Sunday, I saw the notifications, but I didn't really read the messages. At 12 midday, I replied, I am okay, and he called right away. Oh look, now he's calling after 1 week of disappearing on her. He pretended everything was normal, that he was busy, and this is why he kept quiet. I said, don't worry, we all need quiet time. Perfect. I was so busy myself. He asked if I got my thing in the kitchen fixed, and I said yes. My friend came over and did it for me. He did such a good job. My boyfriend was surprised and he started saying that he was going to do it for me. Oh, really? Okay. I said, don't worry about it, it is done. And when I said that I'm just about to finish watching a very interesting thriller movie, and I finished the conversation first. Now she even kept him more on his toes by finishing the conversation first. It was after a week of him pulling away from her, so she would chase him. Not only that she is not chasing him, but she is even finishing the conversation first and saying that another guy fixed that thing. Now this girl is a challenge in every single way, and she is not giving a guy reassurance for his pull away. After that, I went for a nap. I was emotionally exhausted and didn't sleep well the whole week because of his power game and pulling away. After my nap, I woke up to missed call and 5 messages on Messenger saying that I don't care about him. I am free to be with somebody else now. How could I let someone else to fix my kitchen? Aww. And he hopes I enjoyed my time with whoever fixed my kitchen. Now the guy is losing his emotional control, even though it was his goal, so she would lose her. This is girls, how you play them at their own game. He so deserves that. Ladies, I talk about these games a lot in my ebook Ways Men Test Women, because this is a test. This is a power game. I break these power games down in my ebook Ways Men Test Women, and you can get that ebook just by following the link right here. I could also see I was blocked on Messenger as I had notification that I couldn't reply to these messages. So I was blocked on Messenger and unfriended on Facebook. Now the guy is really reacting. This was such an extreme reaction as he really is a very calm guy. I called him right away asking what is going on. He picked up right away and had a tantrum that I don't care about him, but I could hear his voice became very soft and loving. He said, why you didn't call me or message me for the whole week? What a monkey. I'm sorry. I mean, like, you know. I said that it is him who stopped talking and I just gave him time. He was furious and so worried that I might not love him anymore. Well, he deserves to be worried because guess what? He pushed her himself to the limit. He said he loved me and during this week of not speaking, he realized how much he loves me. Ladies, guys realize their feelings for you when you are not in contact with them, when they are missing you, right? Whereas we ladies, we realize the feelings for the guy when we are constantly in contact with them, all right? So the pull away and giving a guy space is actually a very good thing, because this is when he realizes his feelings for you. I told him that I care about him and love him, so he was happy. You know, Greta, what is interesting? After trying to put a blame on me that we didn't speak all week, at the end he said, I know it is my fault we didn't speak. I should have messaged you, I'm sorry. So he literally admitted that he played a game. He asked me if I accept his apology and I said yes. Greta, you were so right that it was a power game, but it still surprises me that guys would risk their relationships just like that, as I was about to send him a message today after your live that it is not working for me. He is back to being a loving boyfriend and already sent me 2 good morning messages. You know what, girls? She's saying here, it surprises me that guys would risk their relationships just like that. You know what? In their mind, we're not really risking it, because majority of women will panic and freak out after a couple days of no contact from their guy. So majority of women will chase and run after them. All right, so we are used to pull away for some time, so the girls start running and chasing after them. Also, ladies, if you look at the other YouTube channels like Dating Coaches for Men, the games that those guys are coaching men, it's actually a very, very common thing to do. you know. So you're same as you girls are watching me, same the guys are watching other dating coaches and learning their game. It's not that they are risking their relationship, it's just they playing the games. And ladies, another thing, men love games because of their testosterone levels. All right, if he loves watching football, if he loves watching any sport, he loves playing it in his head. And the game is forever. Same as 15 years old love watching football, same 95-year-old loves watching football if he's a man, right? Which means the game will be in there forever. But what you can do about it, you can learn about these games and you can react to them in a way that it benefits you and it just makes you look more attractive in his eyes. Okay, so ladies, if you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Join my high value women group where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private, ladies only. And if you would like me to hold your hand and help you to bring out the best in your guy, same as I helped this lovely lady, you can always book me through my website, which is called ladiesrelationshipcoach.com. So thank you ladies for watching. Have a beautiful day. Kisses from London. Mwah.